Hello guys, and welcome to another video. In this video we're going to create our settings menu. We're going to start off by creating the settings button, the settings UI, and then we're going to move on to our local scripts. So let's just get started. First off, we'll start off by creating our settings button on the left corner of our screen. So to do that, we need to create a image button right here and call it, in our properties menu, call it settings toggle button. Now for our UI, we're going to add our UI corner to round the edges of this button, and we're going to add a UI stroke for this nice looking stroke outside of the border. Now for the image, what you're going to do, go into your toolbox, click this, go down into decals and search settings. You should have a lot of setting icons. I'm going to use this one for example. And what you're going to do is go into your properties, click the content, and then click our image. After that, you should see the image pop up. You can also change the background like this, so it looks better. You can see, and yep, crop, fit. I'm gonna use select. No, I'm gonna use fit, so it fits right inside our button. This is to open and close our settings UI. Now we need to create our actual settings UI. So calling it settings, boom, make it how big you want, make the background black for example, set the transparency to 8. If you don't know these basics, watch other tutorials because I'm gonna speed run this. UI corner this, text label 1 right here, and 0, 0.2, 0.1, 0.1, remove the background transparency, make the text scaled, and call it settings. This is the title. Boom, color white, text scaled, strict stroke black, and make the textual transparency to 0. After that, we're going to make this bigger. Title is bigger. Okay, now we need to set up our text button for the settings. So no, let's just do this for now, and add and local script. So let's start scripting. Get our tween service for animations. Get service, tween service. Let's get our settings menu. Settings menu. Settings. Wait for child settings. Or settings toggle. The parent away for child settings toggle. And that's it. Yeah. Now we're going to do an activated connect function. That's it. So this is going to detect when we click our button. So when we click our button, let me make it a low variable is visible and set to false. And here we're just going to say is visible equals not is visible, and say settings dot visible is visible. Okay, now let's test this. it should work. There we go. We can open and close our settings menu. W. Now what we can do is, now that we have this, we can add more stuff into our frame. So now we add, for example, text button here, make the scale something like this. No, remove the constraint, add unit conversion and position size. Boom. Look at music on. Okay, now do this. Yep, set this to a different color, green, and there we go. That's our one setting. Now make this visible to false and use this tool for sizes on UI, and right here we're just going to call here, we're going to call we're going to get the variable first, toggle music equals settings toggle for child toggle music, settings toggle no settings, settings word for child toggle music activated to function, and we're just gonna say if is visible, then just gonna do if is visible, then we're gonna set the music to pause. So if we get a music right now, right here, going to our, just type in here music and go into audio, relaxed. There we go. Wow. Okay, make this playing looped and set the volume down. Set the volume down just a little, and let's try this. Yeah, this is good. Now we're just gonna say workspace relaxed scene pause, just like that, and we're gonna set another variable called paused is playing. It's false, and is playing. Then we're gonna set is playing to false, and else no, not here. Okay, so we're just gonna say is playing, then set false, else say true. Go. This is the simplest way to have music playing. Music off. Let's display it on the text as well. So just gonna say toggle music.text equals music paused. So the text equals music playing. Alright, music playing. Actually, never mind. Pause, and here is resume. Music playing. Paused. So if it is playing, it's playing. So if it is playing, I'm just gonna say pause and music paused, If it isn't playing, then we're gonna say resume music playing. Just gonna say on this text music playing. Alright. See if this works. Paused, playing, paused, playing. We can close and open this. W. Nice, we made the system, guys. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give a like and subscribe. Also make sure to join my channel. Join my Discord, I mean. I'll see you guys in the next video.